Yeah.
All right, Facebook fam, we're about to get started. So first, let me run down the menu for you and let you know that this will be also broadcast on YouTube. And on YouTube, we'll have also the ingredients and everything will be stacked according to each item that I do. So you will get the opportunity to see the ingredients and how I prepared it and all of that. I'm gonna try to put that on YouTube along with this video. All right, so we're going to be doing today in the menu a Thanksgiving special. We're going to be doing the turkey, of course. It's going to be a citrusy type of turkey. It's going to have a lot of flavor to it. I'm also going to be doing something new, something different, a rump roast with the bone in. It's going to be made like I make my oxtails. It's going to have that oxtail seasoning, and it's going to be smothered in butter beans. Something different, something I haven't done before, but it's something that's going to be done this Thanksgiving. Also, I'll be doing my mama's famous stuffing. I'm not going to post that because she doesn't want her recipe out there in the world, so I'm not going to do that. But I'm also going to be making candy yams and my famous rice, which I'm going to be doing Brazilian style. I don't know if I think I've done it before and shown y'all, but I'm going to do it again so I can show y'all again. And something different that I've never done before. I saw it on Daddy's Kitchen, so I decided to do cranberry sauce. So I'm going to be doing it with my own little special ingredients to that. And for dessert, my beautiful wife did something called apple dippers, apple droppers. She did it with this awesome caramel sauce. I'm going to be doing something, shout out to my sister Marie for this one, apple empanadas. However, I'm not calling it empanada, that's your thing. I'm calling it a turnover. That's right, Oso's apple turnover. And I'll be having Tiffany's caramel sauce. That's what I'm going to have, so to dip it in. And it's going to be covered also in a sweet topping. So that's what I'm going to be doing for Thanksgiving, cooking with the Osos. My mom's making the collard greens. She's making the macaroni and cheese and potato salad. So she'll be bringing that over. So less cooking for me, which is great, but I'll be showing y'all the basics. And we're going to get started. Like I said, I'm going to do one thing at a time, show you how it's done, and periodically be posting the 40% off code for Berkson CS, Berkson Clothing Store.net and .com for the men and the ladies to get that 40% off from their coats, clothes, and accessories and shoes. So check that out and stay tuned. Thank you for joining me, and we're going to get this in. So cooking with Tony Ant-Man Oso, cooking with the Osos, and that's how we're going to do this. All right, so stay tuned. As you always know, I always do my turkey last, so don't be looking for the turkey up front. So I'll be doing everything else, and then I'll do the turkey. All right? So happy Thanksgiving to everyone in advance, and I'll see y'all in a minute to start with the first dish.